Shalom, shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praise, honor, and glory due to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Rakak Wadash, and double honors unto our elders and apostles of GMS Great Millstone who teach and rule well, and salutations to the 144,000 men out there, as well as the rest of the 1/3 that consists of men, women, and children. All right, this is Brother Nabala here with another lesson. All right, and this is breaking news, man. This is in the news edition. All right, it says 8.7 magnitude earthquake prompts tsunami alert in Hawaii, Alaska, and the West Coast. All right, now this is 8.7 magnitude earthquake, man. That's a huge earthquake right there, man. All right, and potentially something could come out of this, man. A tsunami could definitely come out of this. All right, so we're gonna be on our watch, as Yahweh Bashim Shai told us to do, to warn the flock. All right. Matter of fact, we could start with that. We gotta be on our watch, man. We gotta watch, these things, man, because these things could lead up to something, significant happening. All right, which this is, prophecy. What is it? Man, is it Ezekiel? Salakia. What is it? Man, my brain is Salakia. 1 second. What is it? What is it? It says, "Son of man." Son of man. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it is Ezekiel 3:7. Salakia. Okay, so let's get the book of Ezekiel 3:7. All right, let's start here. Ezekiel 3:7. It says, Ezekiel 3, is it 17? 17, Salakia. Ezekiel 3:17. We'll start off with this. It says, "Son of man, I have made thee a watchman unto the house of Israel. Therefore, hear the word at my mouth and give them warning from me." All right. So that's what we're doing. All right. We're giving, that warning. All right. A tsunami like this. All right. That's something to blow that trumpet about. All right. We got to blow the trumpet, and give them warning, give our people warning, man, from the impending dangers that's coming upon Babylon the Great. All right. So we'll get into this article here. And it says, 8.7 magnitude earthquake prompts tsunami alert in Hawaii, Alaska, West Coast. It said a massive magnitude 8.7 earthquake struck off the coast of Russia Tuesday, sparking tsunami warnings in Alaska and Hawaii, and alerts for other areas of the West Coast. All right. It says the earthquake occurred about 85 miles off the east coast of Russia, Kamchatka Peninsula, with a depth of nearly 12 miles, according to U.S. Geological Survey. It says a magnitude 6.3 and 6.9 aftershocks were also reported in the area. All right, so a 6.3 and 6.9 aftershock, man. That's a huge aftershock right there, man. All right. That's a huge aftershock right there, man. And the scriptures talk about, earthquakes in diverse places, man. All right. In the book of Matthew. And in this case, man, this happened, in the ocean, man, off the coast of Russia. All right. So we could get that. Let's get the book of Matthew 24:7. And it says, "For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines, pestilence," and here's the point, "and earthquakes in diverse places. All these are the beginning of sorrows," man. All right. So we're seeing Yahweh Bashim Shai visit this place. All right, and we'll get that in the book of Isaiah 29. We'll get that after we continue to read this. It says the tsunami warning announced for Alaska, Aleutian Islands, and Hawaii, California, Oregon, and Washington are under a tsunami advisory, while the threat is being evaluated. The U.S. territory of Guam is under a tsunami advisory. It says a 7.3 magnitude earthquake rattles Alaskan island, prompting tsunami advisory. It says the first tsunami wave is forecast to reach Hawaii just after 7:15 p.m. local time. A destructive tsunami waves are expected, according to Oahu Emergency Management. Man, so they're expecting these waves, man, these tsunamis to hit inland, man. All right, to hit Hawaii. All right. It says sources told ABC News the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency has activated its Emergency Operations Center. Officials have also proactively activated their Joint Information Center and are meeting with the Hawaii government Josh Green's team. It says sirens are currently going off on all Hawaiian islands as part of a statewide warning system. 10 minutes after the hour for the next 3 hours to warn the people. All right, so the people are getting that warning, man. That a tsunami, a possible tsunami could hit Hawaii, man. All right, so this is beautiful, man, to see Yahweh Bashim Yahushua working. All right, to see him, bring forth these earthquakes, man. All right, because this is biblical, man. Like I just read in the book of Matthew 24, all right, and 7. It says people are urged to evacuate coastal areas according to officials. Residents in Honolulu were urged to evacuate the primary evacuation zone or go to at least the fourth floor of the building. It says all shores of the island are at risk. Damn, all shores of the island are at risk because tsunami waves wrap around the islands, according to the National Weather Service, man. Damn. That's man. It says the danger can continue for many hours after the initial wave and subsequent waves arrive. Tsunami heights cannot be predicted, and the first wave may not be the largest. Damn. So, man, these waves can't be predicted, man. Man, they could go, from 20-foot waves to 100-foot waves, man, and within hours, man. This is big. It says, and an advisory was also issued for Japan's Pacific Coast region in Hokkaido to Kyushu. It says a 6.2 magnitude earthquake near Istanbul rattles Turkey. Damn. Japan's meteorological agency warned that the tsunami, about 1 meter 3 feet high, is expected to reach Hokkaido in the north around 10 a.m. local time. It says, with waves arriving later in the day along part of the eastern Honshu and Kyushu in the south. People are warned to stay away from the coast and the river mouths and not to approach the water to observe. It said the tsunami warning means that the tsunami that could cause widespread dangerous flooding and powerful currents is expected. Damn, it's expected. A tsunami watch means a distant earthquake has occurred and a tsunami is possible, man. All right, so this 8.7 earthquake, man, has been detected. All right, and as you can see, man, there's been earthquakes in diverse places. All right, and these tsunamis could bring forth major damage and major flooding. All right, so these are the times that we're in, man. This is how we know that Yahweh Bashim Yahushua is visiting this place, as the scriptures say. All right, so let's get the book of Isaiah 29:6, man. All right, let's get the book of Isaiah 29:6. Isaiah, what is it? 29:6, man, because this is biblical. It says, "Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh Bashim Yahushua of hosts with thunder and with earthquakes and great noise." All right, the point was earthquakes with storms and tempests and the flame of devouring fire. All right, so this is all the doings of Yahweh Bashim Yahushua, man. All right, this is all the doings of Yahweh Bashim Yahushua. What does it say in the book of Amos? The book of Amos, let's get that. All right. We're going to keep bringing out these scriptures, man, because these are the times that we're in. Is it 8 and 9? 8 and Amos. Let me see. Amos 9 and what is it? Amos. Damn, is it Amos 3? And 6, here we go. It says, shall a trumpet be blown in the city, and the people not afraid? Shall there be evil in the city, and Yahweh Shema Shai had not done it? All right, and that's a question, man, because we know that Yahweh Shema Shai is in control of everything, man. All right, he's in control of everything, man. He's in control of man's goings. He's in control of this earth. All right, the scriptures say that what does it say that oh man, what does it say? That the earth is his footstool. All right. So Yahweh Shema Shai, man, he's in control of this, man. He's the one that's bringing forth these tsunamis. He's the one that's bringing forth these earthquakes. All right. So Yahweh Shema Shai is visiting this place, man. We're gonna get that here. Let's get that in Esdras. What is it? Second Esdras 9 and 1. This second Esdras 9, and we start at 1. It says, he answered me then and said, measure thy times diligently in itself. All right, how we measuring the times, man? We're measuring the times with these scriptures. All right, lining up, the events, and the things that are going on around the world with these scriptures. And it says, and when thou seest part of the signs past, which I have told thee before, then shalt thou understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which he made, man. All right. So, this is Yahweh Shema Shai, man, showing that he's visiting this place. It says, therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world. All right. And the point is earthquakes, man. All right. So this is just a sign that Yahweh Shema Shai is getting ready, is visiting this place, man. All right. This is just a sign that Yahweh Shema Shai is visiting this place. Okay. So, Yahweh Shema Shai is bringing, great judgment upon this place, upon Babylon the Great. All right. Yahweh Shema Shai is tired of all the wickedness that's going on here, man. All right. What does the scripture say, man? Greater evils, man. Let's get that. Let's get that, man. Greater evils. Because that's what's coming here to Babylon the Great, man. Yahweh Shema Shai, man, is he's not playing, man. It's time for Jake to get right. Slakia. Let me see. I know it's in Esdras. Let me see. Oh no, it's in yeah, it is in Esdras. It's Esdras 14 and 16. Greater evils. All right, Salakia. Let me see here. What is it? Second Esdras 14 and 16. Second Esdras 14 and verse 16. Let's see. It says here, for yet greater evils than those which thou hast seen happen shall be done hereafter. All right. For look how much the world shall be weaker through age, so much more evils increase upon them that dwell therein. All right. And that's exactly what we're seeing, man. All right. We're seeing greater evils taking place. All right. We're seeing, a lot more mass shootings, taking place. All right. We're seeing, a lot more, uproars of the people. All right. We're seeing a lot more earthquakes. All right. We're seeing, just a bunch of just catastrophic events taking place here in Babylon the Great, man. These are just the beginning of the sorrows. These are the greater evils, man, that the scriptures are talking about, man. All right. So, hey, man, right now, man, it's it's a time of judgment, man. Yahweh Shema Shai is bringing forth this judgment, man. And, you know, the Wadi Yahweh Shema Shai, man, for allowing this to happen, man. Now we just, you know, hope and pray that Yahweh Shema Shai, you know, allows this tsunami to take place. All right. So we can see the destruction of this damn place, man, of this wicked society, man, that we're in, man. All right. So we can see the downfall of our enemies, man. All right. It's beautiful to see, man. All right. You know, Yahweh Shema Shai said, man, my words are faithful and true, man. All right. My words will not return to me void, man. All right. It says, the scripture says that, roughly paraphrasing, let his words be true and every man a liar. All right. So these scriptures, man, are jumping off the table, man. Yahweh Shema Shai is showing us the signs and giving us the times, man. It's showing us the signs and the times that we're in. All right. So with that being said, you know, I just pray that this quick lesson was edifying to you, brothers and sisters. All right. And, you know, I want to give all praise, honor, and glory, you know, due to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakakwadash. And once again, you know, double honors unto our elders and apostles of GMS Great Millstone who teach and rule well. And until the next lesson, Shalom, Shalom.